Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus dip. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, which is about 425 grams, along with 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini. Don't forget the juice of one fresh lemon, one small clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious, creamy dip that everyone will love. Now let's get to the preparation. First, drain and rinse your chickpeas very well under cold water. This helps remove excess sodium. Next, peel and mince one small clove of garlic. Then, combine the rinsed chickpeas, minced garlic, tahini, and fresh lemon juice in your food processor. Begin to blend and gradually add 2 to 4 tablespoons of cold water to achieve a smooth texture. As you blend, you'll want to achieve that signature smooth and creamy hummus texture. Keep the food processor running and be sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl a few times to ensure everything is incorporated. If it seems too thick, add 1 tablespoon of cold water at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Your delicious homemade hummus is now ready to enjoy. Transfer it to a serving bowl, and for a beautiful presentation, drizzle about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil over the top. A sprinkle of paprika or fresh parsley adds a lovely touch. Serve it with warm pita bread, crisp vegetable sticks, or your favorite crackers. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.